So, hello, my friends. Hope you're having a great evening, day, whatever time it is where you are. So, our screeching, screaming Dell 7010 is back on the desk. And today, it's for a good reason. The fan is here. And we're going to replace the fan. And hopefully, well, not hopefully, definitely, we'll get rid of that high pitched sound. And I don't know if I need to remind you of it, but I'll just give you a little bit of a taste of what was going on there, or what is going on with this fan. Yeah, so that's bad. That's not good. Uh, there was also a CMOS battery issue. The date and time was bad. The operating system was corrupt. So I fixed that. I replaced the CMOS coin battery, and I ordered a replacement part for that fan, and now it's here. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how we can replace that fan. So I'm just disconnecting everything, including power. I can leave the cable on, the display cable. So if you look at this closely right here, this is your DVD drive. It's got a little slot here. You can pull this up, and then you can just remove the drive. I'm not going to put anything too far. I won't take off the SATA connection or the power connection. Once you do that, over here, there's actually a lever, a blue lever, that you can put your finger in, and there's a latch down here where you can unlock or lock the caddy for the drive in. So right now it's locked, and if I pull it towards me, it unlocks, and then I can basically lift everything up and out. Put it aside, and I'm able to get to where the fan is plugged into the board. I've already gone ahead and I've taken out 5 screws like this that keeps the fan down on the actually heat sink itself. So I didn't get just the heat. I didn't get the heat sink and fan. I just got the fan because the heat sink, there's no problem with it. So you just go over. There's a little lever on the front, a button that you can press, and then you can pull up, and you remove the fan from the pin. You remove the cable from the pins on the motherboard. So it looks like that. So see, there's some slight difference. This one's made by Foxconn. This one is Forcecon, and DC 12 volt, DC 12 volt. So this is good replacement for that. So we're gonna take that out, put it back in place, turn it around, clip it in place, clip in, and then you'll need to align it. These 2 tabs go into the grill at the front, so you gotta align it and over the screws, the holes on the fan, just to make sure you're good. And then this pushes right through there, and align it over the holes, and just make sure everything is good. Yeah, you just need a screw. You need a Phillips screwdriver for this. They said there are 5. That's one. There's one to the front here. Oops. There should be magnet on it. I think it fell from me there a bit. Yeah, see, I got a little bit of magnet. Not too much, but I got a little bit of magnet on the tip, and that's very useful. Okay, so let me get this one here. So let me untighten it just a bit so I can move it around. There you go. And then I'm gonna get this one here. Move it aside. Let me catch it first. A bit of a tight quarters there. Yeah, the cable is in the way, so I'll just try to move that out a bit. Yeah, that looks good right there. And then I'll just get it over there slowly. Yeah, that should do it now. Just catch it a bit, then I'll get it down there. Okay, next one. Next one, we go to the one in the corner that fell. We got it there this time. Lock it in place. And we've got two more. One in the middle. That's good. One more over the front, left. Let's make sure it's all good in there. Come on. Come on. You're gonna last a few more years. I don't know about a few more years, but definitely it's gonna last a bit more. Okay. Okay, we're good. We're all smug there. Nice. Nicely done. Okay. Then we're going to start. We're going to put the last thing that we took out. We're going to put that in first. Double check. That's all nice and secure there. There's no extra screw falling in. Everything looks good. And we're going to place that back. Put this over here. There are two raised area that you just set this side in. So I guess you can't see. So you set that side in over there. There you go. Yeah. Arrange it, then you press down in place. So we're all good right there. You take your DVD drive. DVD. Go figure. Yeah, back in the days. Okay, press forward. You're in place. Just make sure all your cables are secure. And then you need to lock this back in place by pulling it forward. Bam, just like that. And we're in. Double check everything's connected, nothing came out. And there's our coin screwed down, our coin. Oh no, I was trying to show you that and I unplugged that. So the coin, I don't know if you can see it there, but just down between here, yeah, that's where the coin battery, CMOS battery, was replaced. Okay. Now I'll put my SATA cable back on that I pulled off. Okay, we're all good. So now we're all good. I can apply my power. Do you hear anything at all? Just a little bit. Now these machines are like that. Once you apply power to them, they actually power up a bit. And on the back, they actually have, I don't know if I can show you here, they actually have a test. You can test if you're having an issue and you believe that it's potentially your power supply. You can eliminate the power supply by testing it. There's a black button here. You pressed on it, and you see the green LED came on, and it actually spin up the fan. So you know, in that case, it's not your power supply. It's got its own little test there. That's a little cute. That's neat for these. Okay, so now I'm gonna power it on. And it's making a sound, which it will make a sound, but this is nothing compared to what we had, that screeching, grinding stuff. And if we look over there, just pan up, pan up, pan up, pan up. Our Windows system is coming up. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. This was just a quick follow-up video that I replaced the fan, replaced the CMOS battery, and now this is good to go for maybe another year or so. You have a great day. Please remember to like, remember to share, and to subscribe. So until next time, you take care now. Bye.